enter the next part. It is the next concept. Next topic is ascending and descending orders. Arranging numbers from the smallest to the biggest in order is called increasing order or ascending order. Arranging numbers from biggest to the smallest in order is called decreasing order or descending order. So ascending order means increasing order, descending order means decreasing order. So ascending order means increasing order. That means we have to write the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Then that arrangement is called ascending order or increasing order. So descending order, decreasing order. So if we arrange the numbers from greatest number to smallest number, then that arrangement is called decreasing order or descending order. So children, so let us practice some problems on this ordering of the numbers. That means how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. So arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So children, so look at the screen. There are given 3 sets of numbers. See the first set of numbers. So there are 4 numbers are given in the first set. That is 535, 144, 213, 198. So these are the 4 numbers given in the first set. Now we have to arrange these 4 numbers in the ascending order. That means we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means from smallest number to greatest number. From smallest number to greatest number. So that's why we have to write the smallest number first. So first we have to identify the smallest number among these 4 numbers. So first we have to write the smallest number. So that's why, so compare the given 4 numbers. Which one is the smallest? Here all the 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. So number of digits are equal. Now compare the first digit from the left side in every number. So in the first number, the first digit is 5. Whereas in second number, the first digit is 1. Whereas in third number, the first digit is 2. Whereas in fourth number, the first digit is 1. Here, 1 is the smaller than 2 and 5. So here there are 2 smaller numbers. That is 144 and 198. So these are the 2 numbers having same digit in the hundreds place. Now compare the tens place digit. That means compare the second digit in the 2 numbers. Here the second digit in 144 is 4 and the second digit in 198 is 9. So here 4 is smaller, 9 is greater. So the smallest number among the 4 numbers is 144. And the next smallest number is 198. So children, 2 numbers are completed. So what are the remaining 2 numbers? 535, 213. So among these 2 numbers, which one is smaller? So let us compare the first digit. Here the first digit is 5. Here the first digit is 2. So which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. So 213 is the smallest number. And the remaining number will be written in the last. The remaining letter is 535. Sorry. 230 in the third number and fourth number is 535. So this is called ascending order. So first we have to compare the first digit in every number. Then if first digit is same, then compare the second digit. So in this way we have to write the given numbers in the ascending order. So children, see the second set of problem. So in the second set there are also given 4 numbers and all are 3-digit numbers. Now we have to find which one is smaller. So in ascending order means increasing order. That means smallest number to greatest number. That means we have to write smallest number first. So among these four numbers, which one is smaller? So now compare the digits present in hundreds place. So children, compare the first digit in every number. So compare the first digit from the left side in every number. So in the first number is 2. In the second number, the first digit is 3. In the third number, the first digit is 4. In the fourth number, the first digit is 7. So among 2, 3, 4, 7, so which one is smaller? So 2 is smaller. So 223 is the smallest number among the given 4 numbers. So next, which one is smaller? So next, 3 is smaller. 3, 4, 7. Among 3, 4, 7, which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So 352 becomes next smallest number. So children, so which one is smaller? So next, among 4 and 7, 4 is smaller. The first digit 4 is smaller than the first digit 7. So 486 becomes the next smallest number. So write the remaining letter at last, that is 727. So this is the ascending order for the given 4 numbers. So in this way, we have to write the ascending order. That means increasing order. That means from smallest to biggest number. So first we have to compare the first digit from the left side in every number. If the first digits are same, then compare the second digits in every number. If the second digits are also same, then compare the third digit from the left side in every number. So this is the way of comparing numbers, and this is the way of writing ascending order. So children, this is about ascending order. So note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining third problem at your home. So children, so let us enter the next activity. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So here also children, 3 sets of numbers are given. We have to arrange each set of numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. That means we have to arrange the given numbers from greatest to smallest number. Greatest to smallest number is called descending order. That's why we have to find out the greatest number among the given 4 numbers. So we have to write the greatest number first. So in the first set of numbers, the first number is 396. Second number is 886. Third number is 452. Fourth number is 838. So these are the 4 numbers. So now we have to write these 4 numbers in descending order. That means greatest number to smallest number. Now we have to compare the first digit, since all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So the number of digits are same in 4 numbers. So we have to compare the first digit from the left side in every number. In the first number, the first digit is 3. In the second number, the first digit is 8. In the third number, the first digit is 4. In the fourth number, the first digit is 8. So among 3, 8, 4, which one is greater? 8 is greater. But there are 2 numbers with 8 as first digit. That is 886, 838. These 2 numbers have same first digit. Now compare the second digit in these 2 numbers. So the second digit is 8, whereas the second digit in this number is 3. So which one is greater, 8 or 3? 8 is greater. So 886 becomes greater number. So next greater number becomes 838. So children, two numbers are completed and there remain two numbers. Those are 396, 452. So which one is greater among these? So here the first digit is 3. Here the first digit is 4. So 4 is greater. So write the number 452. So this is the next greatest number. And write the remaining letter at the last. This is 396. So this is the way of writing descending order for the given numbers. So children, see the second problem. So here also 4 numbers are given and the 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. That means all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Number of digits are same. The first number is 577 and the second number is 781 and the third number is 939. Fourth number is 744. So now compare the first digit from the left side in each number. Here in the first number the first digit is 5. In the second number the first digit is 7. In the third number the first digit is 9. In the third number the first digit is 7. So among 5, 7, 9, which one is greater? 7 is greater. But there are two numbers with 7 as first digit. What are they? They are 781 and 744. So these numbers have same first digit, that is 7. Now compare the second digit in these two numbers. So in this number, that is in 781, the second digit is 8. In 744, the second digit is 4. So which one is greater, 8 or 4? 8 is greater. So 781 is the greatest number among the given numbers. 781. Sorry. Here 9 is greater. So 9 is greater. So 939 is the greatest number. So children, there are three numbers remaining. Those are 577, 781, 744. So among 5, 7, which one is greater? 7 is greater. But there are two numbers with first digit 7. They are 781, 744. These two numbers have same first digit, that is 7. Now compare the second digit in these two numbers. So in 781, the second digit is 8. In 744, the second digit is 4. So which one is greater? 8 or 4? 8 is greater. So the next second greatest number is 781. And the third greatest number will be 744. The remaining letter should be, the remaining number should be written in the last. It is 577. So this is the descending order for the given numbers. So children, this is the way of writing descending number for the given numbers. So first we have to compare the first digit from the left side. If the first digit is the same, then compare the second digit. So this is the way we have to continue. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and practice the third problem at your home. So let us enter the next topic, odd and even numbers. So what